This is our final video in the Nearpod tutorial video series. In this video, we will be talking about how to incorporate audio files in your Nearpod lesson. When you are importing an audio file, you have to also be sure that you are using a file that is the right type of file. As you can see here, there are certain types of files that will work. We have MP3s, WAV, AIFF, AC3, OGG, and AAC files. A few options for importing audio files would be to use a tool called Audacity. Audacity is a free internet download tool that allows you to either import songs and edit songs or record your own voice and edit your voice. If you choose to record your own voice, simply download and open the Audacity and click the record button. As you talk, it will record your voice, and you can stop and pause, go back and edit at any time while you're recording your voice. There are many options in Audacity for creating effects. You can see there's a list of all sorts of different effects that you can put on your voice or in the music. That is something that you could play around with or find other tutorial videos to help you out with. But for our purposes, we simply will now save the Audacity file and export it so that we can open it in Nearpod. So what we have to do is we're going to have to save this file. Make sure you click stop before you do that, otherwise it won't let you. So we are going to save our project first, and then when we save our project, we also have to make sure that we export our project. Otherwise, we will not be able to access the file that we have created. So here you can see it's in the appropriate file format. We are able to use MP3 files with Nearpod, and if you open it, you can see there are several other options that you can save your file as. That we've also seen the OGG, that was an option. You can see there are options for MP4s, or MP2s, excuse me, WMA, and some other things in here, WAV, AFF, we saw that as well, but not everything will work. So make sure you choose something that is compatible. MP3 seems to be the easiest. So we can save our file, and then we should be able to immediately open and upload this into Nearpod. So here's my MP3 file, and when I click on that, it will upload with no problem. Some options for using audio files might be if you have a student that needs assistance reading a book that you're using in your class, maybe they would require an audio file. If you cannot, your school does not have the file in an audio file, or they have not purchased the audio version of the tape, you can read the chapters and save your voice as a file and upload it directly to Nearpod. You could also do this for any number of other reasons, that you might want your students to listen to a song and analyze the song. And depending on the goals of your classroom, you may be able to use this audio feature for many reasons. Now let's take a look at what these features will look like, the video and audio features, from a student standpoint. When you reach the portion of your presentation that includes a video, the students can click play whenever they are ready to view the video, and if they need to answer any questions that you're asking of them, they can replay it as many times as they would like until the teacher moves the presentation forward. So they simply click play and watch the video. During the actual lesson, as soon as the teacher moves the presentation forward, the video will start automatically for the students. But in this case, I paused it so I could explain how the students can access the video. The same goes for the audio file. As soon as the teacher moves the presentation forward, the file will begin and the students will hear what we have recorded. As you talk, it will record your voice, and you can stop and pause, go back and edit at any time while you're recording your voice. You should recognize that file from when we recorded it earlier in Audacity. Hopefully these tutorial videos have helped you learn how to incorporate Nearpod into your classroom. Please fill out the survey located on my website. Thank you.